If you want to tick all the boxes in mixing industry or in live sound engineering industry, you need to do these things and perfect in your career. Number one, you need to practice mixing. Always practice mixing. Do not skip a day without practicing mixing, either on a DAW or maybe on a console. Number two, practice mixing. Practice mixing. Make sure you practice mixing every day. Number three, practice mixing. Practice mixing. Practicos. Practicos. Practice mixing. Why are you stuck in 2021 and 2020? Because you are not practicing. Always practice mixing.